Hello, friends. I'm Amin, and today I want to introduce you to my exciting project called Football Adventure. This project is an interactive story about a thrilling football match where the player, that's Amin, enters the field and makes decisions that can change the outcome of the game. In this video, I'll show you how I built this project, what code I wrote, and what each part of the code does. So, if you're interested in JavaScript, coding, or creative projects, make sure to watch the video until the end. Let's go. First, I defined an object for the player that stores the player's information such as their name, position on the field, number of goals scored, and whether they've been substituted or not, as you can see up here. Next, I created another object for the teams that stores the names of the home and away teams and their scores. As you can see here, so I chose the home Senecal College and the away team York University, and the score is 1-1 at the first. To give Amin choices during the match, I created an array with three options, as you can see right here. So he has the choices or either shoot, pass, or dribble. I also defined a variable called a scored goal, to track whether Amin scored a goal or not. Now let's move on the functions. First, I wrote the introduce match function, which introduces the match and displays the current score, as you can see here, right here, this function. Next is the substitute player function, which shows the Amin enters the field with 20 minutes remaining. It also sets the is substituted value to true. Yeah, as you can see right here. Okay, we go down, and then the next function is make decision, which manages the three possible choices. If chooses like should a random number is generated using math random. If the number is greater than 0.5, Amina scores a goal. Otherwise, the goalkeeper makes a save. As you can see right here, this is the first decision. So if it is should. Then the second one, if Amin choose pass, Amin makes a pass and his teammate scores. And the third one, the last one right here, dribble, a random number determines whether Amin successfully dribbles past the defender. Finally, I wrote the check result function, which shows the final score and describes the players and crowd's reaction, as you can see right here. Now I combined all these functions inside a main function called a start a story, which controls the flow of the game. Right down here. And finally, I start the game with this line of code. Start the story. Well, friends, that's my football adventure project. In this project, we learned how to build an interactive story using JavaScript and how to use conditions, functions, and arrays to make player decisions influence the story. If you have any questions or if any part of the code seems unclear, feel free to ask in the comments. I'd be happy to help you. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching and until the next video, goodbye.